In a faraway ocean lived a cheerful mermaid named Coral. She loved exploring colorful reefs and deep-sea caves. One day, she found a curious map inside a seashell. The map led to a hidden treasure deep in the ocean. Coral felt excited and decided to find the treasure. On her way, she met a friendly dolphin named Splash. Together, they swam past shimmering fish and swaying seagrass. They encountered a grumpy crab who blocked their path. "I guard these waters," said the crab with a snip. Coral sang a soothing song, calming the crab's nerves. Thankful, the crab shared clues about the treasure's location. Splash and Coral dug deeper into the dark ocean. They found a mysterious shipwreck surrounded by swirling fish. Coral noticed sparkling lights emerging from the ship's cabin. Inside, they discovered a chest filled with glowing pearls. The pearls glowed with colors of the sunrise and sunset. Coral and Splash danced joyfully, admiring their finding. Coral decided to share the treasure with all sea creatures. She realized happiness comes from sharing beautiful moments. Splash thanked Coral for inviting him on the journey. Together, they swam back, leaving a trail of laughter. Back home, they shared stories of their adventure. Many creatures now seek adventures with Coral and Splash. The ocean became a place of wonder and friendship. Coral's kindness inspired all sea creatures to explore merrily. And the ocean world lived happily ever after.